السلام عليكم. اليوم إن شاء الله ناخذ عن خط الأعداد المجمعة اللي اسمه line plot. ونكمل بالهيكل إن شاء الله لما نخلصه. طبعا أنا شرح بطيء عشان الكل يفهم إن شاء الله ويستوعب. Here is the line plot. Why here is 1x? ليش هون 1x؟ لأنه هذا الرقم مكرر مرة واحدة. Here 2x's معناته هذا الرقم مكرر مرتين. 3x is the same, 3x's and 2x's. We need to answer questions. How many mice are in the data set? You need to count all x's, not numbers or values. X's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. 12 x's or 12 mice. يعني 12 فار. How long is the shortest one? Where is the shortest one? Here is the longest one, 6 inches. Here the shortest one. So 4 and 1/4. 4 inch. So 4 and 1/4 inch is the shortest one. Number 3. How long is the longest one? The longest one is here, 6 inches and 1/4. 6 inches and 1/4. What is the measurement or measurement occurred the most often? The most often معناتها repeated most أو تكررت أكثر شيء. هذه تكرر 3 مرات وهذه تكرر 3 مرات. لا تكتب واحدة، اكتب الاثنين. So the values that are occurred most often are 5 and 1/2 inch and 5 and 3/4 inches. Okay. Question number 5. Which measurements or measurement occur the least often? Least often تكررت أقل شيء. عندنا قيمتين. We have two values repeated least often. See? This and this. 1 time and 1 time. So what is the measurement? 4 and 1/4. 4 and 1/2. So I write the measurement, not the number of x. The measurement. The measurement is 1/4 and 1/4 and 4.5. Okay, how many mice are shorter than 5 inches? Here is the measurement of 5. I need all mice that is shorter than 5, أقل من 5. So I count here. How many x? 2. So I have 2 mice. يعني عندي فأرين فقط قياسهم أقل من 5 inch. How many mice are longer than 5 inch? I count here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 mice. What is the difference in inches between the longest and shortest? The longest mouse is 6 inches and 1/4. The shortest mouse is 4 inches and 1/4. So as the question is asking about the difference, means it's minus, we subtract. So 6 and 1/4 minus 4 and 1/4, and you know how to do it. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2, 1/4 and 1/4 is gone. So 2 mice, or 2 inches, the difference. Let's go to the next one. Here, create a line plot to represent the data. We need to put and plot these measurements or lengths on the line plot. See the number 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Most of them are 6 and fraction. So here I can write 6 and here 7. But how can I label the ticks here? What is the first tick? See, 6 and 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, and 7. See, most of them are with denominator of 8. So I can put all of them. I will start with this. 6 and 1 8, 6 and 1 8. 6 and 2 8 is not there, but see, 6 and 2 8. 6 and 2 8. See here we have 6 and 3/4, no, 6 and 3/8, see, here. 6 and 3/8, 6 and 3/8. 6 and 3/8, same. 6.5, it is in the middle, here. 6.5. Or 4/8, you know, 6.5, same. Then here 6 and 3/8, 6 and 4/8, 6 and 5/8, 6 and 6/8 I don't have here. But if you focus here, 6 and 3/4, if you change the denominator to 8, it will be 6 and 6/8. So here 6 and 6/8. Okay, so we finished this, and the last one here, 6 and 7/8. 6 and 7/8. But what's the value here? 6 and 5/8. Now I need to put and plot x's. 6. Do you have 6 here? No. 6 and 1/8. Do you have 6 1/8 here? Yes. We have 1, 2, and 3. So I put 3 x's. 1, 2, 3. 6 and 2/8. It is not here. 6 and 3/8. 6 and 3/8. Yes, we have 1 here and 1 here. They are 2. So I put above 6 and 3/8 2 x's. 6.5 is only 1, so 1x. 6 and 5/8 I didn't see. 6 and 6/8 I cannot, but see here, 6 and 3/8 multiply by 2 will be 6. So I can change this to be 3/4, you know, because they are equivalent or have the same value. So 3/4. How many 3/4 I have? Only one. Okay, 1x. And the last one here, 6 and 7/8, 1. So see, I put all x's above the measurements. Now how did you know to label the measurements? كيف عرفت انه انت تحط الارقام والقياسات تحت؟ لاحظت انه كلهم denominator is 8، يعني المقام هو 8. So most values are in 8s. Okay. Now, how do you know how many x's to place above each measurement? مثال 618 618 618. How do you know it is 3 x's here? Because you count the total number of the measurements. So I count number of measurements. The number of measurements. Okay, are there any measurements with no x? Yes, we have. This has no x above, and this, and 6 and 2/8. So, and the last one is 6. So I write them here. What numbers or values that have no x's? 6, 6 and 2/8, 6 and 5/8. and 7. These have no x's above them. Okay, if we go here, you do the same, but the questions are a little bit different here. What is the combined? To combine يعني مع بعض اثنين. Weight of the 4 lightest mice، يعني أخف 4 فئران. هذا 4th, 3/8, half. All of these are very light. Here is very heavy. So I need only 4 mice that are lightest. Here 4 mice. But how do you know the number? Here 1/4, I multiply it by 3. 1/4, sorry. 1/4 multiplied by 3. You know why? Because it's repeated 3 times. So 3/4. And here I have only 1 3/8. So I add them. 3/4 plus 3/8, and I add, but I cannot add until denominators are the same. So here I multiply by 2. By 2 it will be 6/8 plus 3/8. When you add them, they are 9/8. You can write it as a mixed number or simplify. 9 divided by 8, it is 1 whole, and the remainder is 1/8. Okay? Now, here, what is the combined weight of the mice that weight 3/4? Go to 3/4. How many mice are there? كم فأر فوقها متكرر؟ 1 2 3 4 5. إذا اضرب الوزن بالرقم 5. So you can say 3/4 multiplied by 5. 3 times 5, 15/4, and then you simplify. 15 divided by 4 equal 3 and 3/4. Okay? Look at question number 3. What is the combined weight of all? You need to add all of them. I will create a space so we can do it together. Here, how many I have? 1 2 3 3/4. 3/4 plus. Here, only one mouse is 3/8, so 3/8 plus. Here, 1 2 3 4 5. So multiply 3 times 4. We did it here. You remember? 3 times 5 equal 15/4. Okay, so 15/4 plus. Here we have only 1/7/8. 7/8 plus, and here 1 and 1/4 repeated 2 times. Multiply by 2. So you can say 1 and 1/4 times 2 equal 1 times 2, 2, and 1 times 2, 2/4. So here I write 2 and 2/4. So you add them together, and you know how to do that in previous lessons. What is the difference in weight between the heaviest mouse and lightest? What is the heaviest one? This is the heaviest one, أثقل وحدة. وهي أخف وحدة. We minus them. So 1 and 1/4 minus 1/4. Easy. 1/4 minus 1/4 is gone, so you have only 1. The difference is 1. Let's go here. Here is the same. You need to answer questions using the line plot. So you can study on it, and if you have any inquiry in this regard, we will do it on Sunday إن شاء الله. هذا يوم الأحد. هذا اختبر نفسك فيه يوم الأحد إن شاء الله. إذا في أي استفسار أنا بشرح. نخلي شوية شرح ليوم الأحد. Okay, here how you use order pair to put it in the coordinate plane. This is the coordinate plane, if you remember. Coordinate plane. So what is the order pair of described W? W is here. Okay, you move with x-axis and then you go up. So when you move here with x-axis is 4. So x coordinate is 4. And you go up, look at the y-axis, it's 4. So y coordinate is 4. What's the order pair of x? X is here. Go here, 2. So I write 2. Then I go up until 6. So y coordinate is 6. What is the order pair of point y? Y is here. You can do it. Z you can do in similar way. But what is the order pair? Describe the origin. Origin is number 0. You didn't move with x and you didn't move with y. So the order pair is 0 and 0. How did you find the x coordinate for each? كيف انت عرفت الاكس coordinate؟ هذا الاكس coordinate. كيف عرفت انت الاكس coordinate when you have here x coordinate؟ كيف عرفته؟ How do you know x coordinate? You go with along the x-axis. So move right